So there are four classifications of bone, right? There are four classifications of bone. The first classification of bone is called the long bone. So a long bone, by definition, it is taller than it is wider. Okay, so it's taller than it is wider. The long bone that you see here is a femur. The second classification of bone is a short bone. So we classify a short bone as being as tall as it is wide. Examples of short bones would be bones of the wrist or carpals, or bones of the ankles, also known as tarsals. The next classification of bones are what we call flat bones. So as the name implies, right, these bones are going to be broad and flat. Examples of flat bones are the bones of the cranium, right, which are the part of the skull that houses the brain, and the scapula, right, is also classified as a flat bone. And then the last classification of bone is called an irregular bone. And we define an irregular bone as a bone that does not fit any of the other three categories. So an irregular bone is not long, it's not short, and it's not flat. It's irregular. Examples of irregular bones are the bones of the face and bones of your vertebral column.